In this video, I'll go over the results of an analysis and help you understand how to interpret them. This is the example map results for the wild hogs and corn that can be found on any account in the demo folder. When you open an analysis result, by default the damage index is on at half transparency. This is helpful to visualize the damage index results in reference to the original orthomosaic. If I zoom in at a damaged location, I can change the transparency of that damage index to get a good indication of how well that damage is represented. I can slide that slider all the way off to see the original orthomosaic damages. We can see where the crop is missing and the crop is present. And I can increase that slider again to see how well that lines up with my result. Secondly, I can see that primary damage, which is our damage hotspot mapper. These are the areas of the field that are most likely to have the most severe damage. And depending on where you put your damage points, this should indicate the majority of the crop loss in your field. Again, we can change the transparency of this layer to review how well that damage was mapped across the scene. For maps with lighting errors or stitching errors or other problems in the imagery, you may not have a desirable result, in which case you may want to upload better imagery or run the analysis again with different damage locations. It's useful to review these damage results before paying for your report, in which case your report will have all of the statistics and the area calculations for these damages.